Hey everyone, and welcome to the Retro channel, and this is just a really quick follow-up video on the Denon DRM 550 tape deck. I did a full-length video where you can see the repair and calibration of this thing. I'll link that wherever it shows up in that little card and also in the video description. But one thing I noticed while filming that video, well, after filming that video, was that there was a lot of background hiss on the tapes that I recorded with this unit. And that got me thinking about head demagnetizers. I do have this one here, which is just obviously in a cassette, so it's all self-contained, unlike those sort of bigger ones that you get. And I wondered if this would actually make a difference, because I've been fairly skeptical of these things, especially the ones that just are like this in a cassette tape. But I thought, you know what, let's give it a try. So what I actually did was take the same tape that I used in the previous video and recorded about 15 seconds of silence with the input level turned all the way down, and then ran the tape demagnetizer through it and recorded another 15 seconds afterwards. And the results were actually pretty surprising. Let's take a look. So here's the direct capture I got using Audacity, and you can probably already make out the before and after demagnetization. There is a little click here from when I basically stopped the recording and restarted it. So we might just trim that out because that's going to skew our results a little bit. But if we have a playback with just the unamplified, so this would be basically the noise floor of the current tape, it's looking like about average minus 33 dB, peaking up to minus 27. And of course, this part is after the heads had been demagnetized. And we can see we're averaging maybe minus 42 with peaks up to minus 33. So that's definitely made an improvement. Let's just amplify the whole thing just so we can see everything a little bit better. So yeah, you can definitely make out this is all before the demagnetizer, and basically everything after here is after demagnetizing the heads. So yeah, quite impressive. Let's see. So the tape hiss probably dropped about 12 dB, which is pretty surprising. Like I said, I've always been sort of skeptical about these things, and I have used them in previous decks, and it didn't really seem to make a difference. I always try and be somewhat scientific with this stuff, otherwise you run into, audio foolery. The sound stage is enveloping you and shit like that. But yeah, actually seeing this in action, I'm convinced these do actually work. I'm not saying they're going to work on every deck with, any random issue, but when it comes to potentially reducing tape hiss, try a demagnetizer. They might just work.